Hello, I am here to show you the piece of my project for instructional design, learning technology and design capstone course. The part that I'm showing you today is the managing and risk management portion of it. So the application that I am trying to create is called a U portal, and it is by me, Tabitha Coleman. What is U? U is a teacher-created application that can be installed on a computer or a phone. It is an application that focuses on closing student academic gaps by allowing students to access grades, current level TEKS, current academic level of the student, and then student areas of weakness, as well as extra work specifically for those gaps that need to be closed. Application breakdown. The organization that is involved is Crandall Independent School District. The stakeholders is the school board, Dietz Elementary admin, and then the lead teacher at Dietz Elementary. So right now we're just going to focus on one campus and specifically just one classroom to see how this works. And this would be my classroom. The target audience are teachers, students, and parents. The main subjects is the lead kindergarten teacher, the lead kindergarten teacher's classroom, and then the lead kindergarten teacher's classroom parents. The time frame is 2 school years. So the 180 days for 2022, 2023, and then the 183 days for 2023, 2023, 24. The U-Portal definition of applications given to parents. This portal will allow students and parents to see where students is currently academically, as well as what area, which is their TEKS, students are struggling with. Students and parents will be able to see a breakdown of the TEKS they are not mastering, along with examples to help with self-directed learning in order to aid with closing academic gaps. The purpose for you, the goals and the milestones. So the goals, the goal 1 is we want to increase student growth and self-directed learning. We want to increase parent involvement in student learning. This will reduce paperwork for students and teachers. And we want to close gaps among students. We also want to increase positive parent and teacher communication. The milestones and dates. Parents and students learn how to assess information that is available. Parents and students can independently work on struggling areas without teacher assistance. Academic percentage gaps are closing due to parents and students working independently. Teachers and parents have an increase in positive communication between students, parents, and teachers. Student academic gaps percentage are closed by less than 0.05% due to independent work by parents and students. These dates are have a couple months in between. And then the last ends in 08 of 23, which is at the beginning of the second school year. And by that time, I'm hoping that the parents and students are able to fully use the system. And that way we can really see if it's effective or not. Strengths and weaknesses. 3 project strengths. The application allows for more student and parent involvement. Application allows for students to have more self-directed learning. Application allows for a greater percentage to close academic gaps among students. The weaknesses are percentage of academic gaps closing not high enough to continue the use of the U-Portal. Students and parents not able to learn how to use application to aid with learning. And students self-learning or self-directed learning not aiding in closing of the academic gaps. The anticipated opportunities and threats. The opportunities are students closing academic gaps and surpass academic expectations, developer liking the idea and designer can sell it to other districts to use, application meeting designer, students, and parents' expectations that the program expands to other grade levels after the 2-year trial. The projected threats our application not being utilized to its fullest degree by students and parents, application not working to the degree that the designer anticipated, student self-learning or directed learning doesn't close academic gaps as designer anticipated. Thank you for listening, and I hope that you take you into consideration.